I got the Big Mama Boxy Charm, so let's unbox. First is this Rare Beauty Discovery eyeshadow palette inspired by Selena's playful side. These berry and rose-based shades celebrate the ever-changing colors we reflect on every day. This retails for 29 bucks. I am so excited for this Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. It retails for $43 and it's got the most amazing heavenly smell and the iridescent color. I also got the NARS iconic lipstick in Chelsea Girls, and this one is just absolutely gorgeous and it retails for 26 bucks. Next is Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash, and this one is a big one and it retails for $49. Also super excited to try out the Keys Soul Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum, and this retails for 26 bucks. Patrick Ta Beauty Major Glow Lip Shine is absolutely gorgeous and this retails for $22. Pucker up those lips because this is absolutely beautiful. Next up is the iconic Sheer Blush, and formulated with a unique gel to water texture, and this is very lightweight and it retails for 27 bucks. Last is a bunch of makeup sponge from UV Beauty and BU Limited Collection, and this retails for 65 bucks. You can absolutely upgrade to Boxy Luxe, and this is only for $60 for the months that it's available. Tap the link in my bio.